Why did soldiers in World War I and II love shotguns? Let's find out. During World War I, shotguns were trench warriors. Soldiers used them for close-quarters combat. Think about it, in a cramped trench you need something powerful and reliable. Enter the trench gun. It's like the Swiss Army knife of firearms. Fast forward to World War II, shotguns were back in action, but this time they had more tricks up their sleeves. Clearing rooms? Check. Jungle warfare? Check. Even guarding prisoners. These guns weren't just about raw power, they were versatile tools. Shotguns could fire different types of ammo, from buckshot to slugs, perfect for any situation. So next time you think of shotguns, remember they're not just for hunting, they were used on the battlefield too. Do you think the shotgun was fair? Let us know in the comments.